Did you guys miss me? Because I kind of missed y'all. But I finally got the rosemary and I'm ready to make another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Life and I'm back with another video. Today, as promised, I'm going to be making rosemary oil. So I got this rosemary from the store. It's organic. It says piney, earthy, and rich. The ingredient is organic rosemary. And let's just get right into it. I got this rosemary from Walmart in the vegetables section. As you can see, it was a very good price, so I went ahead and grabbed it up. Okay, so let's take a closer look. Like I said before, it looks like something off of a Christmas tree. It's piney and it smells like a Christmas tree, but we're going to use this to make some rosemary oil. I want this oil to be somewhat potent, so I'm using a lot of rosemary. And then for my carrier oil, it's going to be the olive oil. So when I heat it up, the rosemary is going to release all its nutrients into the olive oil. So I didn't measure it, I just put enough to cover up the rosemary, just a good amount. And then when I put it on to the steam, I'm going to stir it around and I'm sure it'll work out just fine. So this is our finished product. As you know, it has these layers, but you know we still have to finish the rest of the bottom. So what oil do you think I'm going to do next? If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you try out this process, go ahead and comment below and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.